students, welcome to Chemistry Gems. In this video, we are learning chemical kinetics. So, what is chemical kinetics? So, it is the branch of chemistry which deals with the rate of chemical reaction or speed of a reaction. So, these are called chemical kinetics. And there are various types of reaction present. So, first is instantaneous reaction. So, in this, rate of reaction occur very fast. For example, AgNO3 plus NaCl, they form AgCl plus NaNO3. And the second reaction are extremely slow reaction. So in this reaction, the rate of reaction occur very slow. For example, rusting of iron. And the third reaction are moderate reaction. Or measurable reaction. In this, the rate of reaction neither occur very fast nor very slow. Like that, the example is hydrolysis of ester. CH3, COO, C2H5, this is ester, plus H2O, so they form CH3, COOH plus C2H5OH, ethanol. And in this, different kinetic reaction have different rate because in the reactant there are bond breaking is present, in the product there are bond formation is present. So in the bond breaking there are some energy is evolved, and in this the bond formation there are some energy is evolved. So due to this energy formation or the evolution, so their kinetic rates are different for the different reaction. Now we study rate of a chemical reaction. So, rate of chemical reaction is equal to the change in concentration of reactant or product by the time taken. Like that, rate of reaction is equal to decrease in concentration of reactant divided by time taken, or rate of reaction also will be equal to increase in concentration of product divided by time taken. For example, there is a reaction A is a reactant and they form product P. So in this, A changes into product. So in this, decreasing in the rate of concentration of A. So their rate of reaction is decrease in concentration of reactant divided by time taken. And if we derive rate in terms of product, so there is a rate of reaction of product increases. So increase in concentration of product divided by time taken. Now we define the unit of rate of reaction. So for a reactant or product, the concentration unit are moles per liter and time taken unit is second divided by second. So the unit of rate of reaction is moles per liter per second, and we also derive these units in minutes or hours. So it will be moles per liter per minute, and in hours it will be moles per liter per hour. And for the gaseous molecule, the rate concentration of reactant, it will be atmospheric. So the unit of gaseous molecule is atmospheric divided by second. So it will be atmospheric per second or atmospheric per minute, atmospheric per hour. Now we study reaction rate of a instantaneous reaction. So, according to law of mass action, the rate of reaction depends upon the molar concentration of the reactant. And in this, if the concentration of the reactant increases, so the rate of reaction increases. Or if the rate of reaction decreases, so the rate of reaction decreases. Like that, if there are X concentration of any molecule, so for a small time of interval it will be dx, and there are small interval of time present, so this is dt. So the rate of reaction is equals to dx, change in concentration, divided by time taken. In this will be minus dx by dt. If there is a rate of change of concentration according to the reactant, and this rate of reaction is positive if there are rate of reaction in terms of product, because in this rate of concentration of reactant is decreases, and in this the amount of reactant is increases, so there is positive charge. For a general reaction, like that, A plus B, so they gives L plus M. So the rate of reaction for this reaction for individual species can be written as dx by dt. There is A, so there is dA by dt is equals to, there will be minus, because in this the concentration of reactant will be fall, and this will be minus dB by dt, because B is also a reactant, so there is concentration, it is decreases, and the rate of reaction of L is in dL divided by dt. Their plus sign indicate that there increase in the amount of product, and there is also plus sign dm by dt, because there increase in the concentration of product. Now for a general reaction like that, AA plus ABB, they gives LL plus MM. So the rate of reaction can be like that, minus 1 by A dA by dt. In this, minus sign indicate the concentration decreases A with time, and there A is coefficient, so this is in divide. Like the same, there is minus 1 by B dB by dt, and there is concentration increases, so there will be plus 1 by L dL by dt. and there is plus 1 by m dm by dt. Now we move on to the factors affecting rate of reaction. So there are several factors which affect the rate of reaction. So first is nature of reactant. In this, the rate of reaction depends upon the nature of reactant, because in this, if the reactant is active, so the rate of reaction is very fast, and if the reactant is not active, so the rate of reaction is very slow. Like that, oxidation of nitrous oxide or carbon monoxide. So this is nitrous oxide and oxidation, so they form 2NO. There is 2NO, so they form 2NO, and there are carbon monoxide and their oxide, so they form 2CO. 2NO2 and 2CO2. So in this, their rate of reaction is very fast and their rate of reaction is very slow. So in this, we can say that the rate of reaction depends upon the nature of reactant. In this, there are same mole of reactant are present, but they have very different rate. Now, the next factor is concentration of reactant. So in this, at the starting, there are maximum reactant present. So there are maximum rate of reaction present at like that. In this graph shows that there are maximum numbers of reactant present and the rate of reaction is maximum, and at the rate of reaction decreases with the rate of decrease in the concentration of reactant. So it may be seen shows that rate of concentration is directly proportional to the rate of concentration. If the rate of concentration decreases, so the concentration of the reactant also decreases. Now the next factor is temperature. So in this, temperature also increases the rate of reaction. It also shows that it initiates the reaction, which means it starts the reaction. Like that, there are many reactions. H2 and O2 cannot react at the room temperature, but when the temperature is increases, so they react and form water, or some electric spark is produced and they form water. And there are some coefficient is produced, that is temperature coefficient. And in this, if the temperature is increased, so there our rate will be doubled or tripled. Like that, temperature coefficient is equals to rate 10 plus T degree Celsius divided by rate T degree Celsius. And in this shows that there are 2 or 3 times rate of reaction increases with increase in temperature. And the next factor is presence of catalyst. Catalyst increase the rate of reaction and does not participate in reaction, and at the last of the reaction this will be same as given out, like that. There is KClO3 and manganese oxide is act as a catalyst and they form KClO. There are two molecules and plus O2, 3O2. So they increase the speed of reaction because, like that, there is progress of reaction and there is potential energy. So there are reactant present, and this is the activation energy in the starting point when the catalyst is not present. And in this, catalyst provide a new path in which catalyst is present, and now this is the activation energy which is very less, and they form product fast, and at the last end of the reaction, so this catalyst will be moved out. Now the next factor is exposure to the radiation. Exposure of radiation. So in this there are some photon of energy is provided and they increase the rate of reaction, like that. There are some reaction between H2 and Cl2, and in the absence of the photon light, so they does not react, and when the photon that is equal to E is equals to H nu is provided, so they form 2HCl. So this is the basic concept of chemical kinetic, and if there are some doubt in your mind, so comment in the comment box and hit the like button, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.